Today I'll be showing you how to start coding as a beginner. As a beginner, what you want to do is follow a structured system that targets the fundamental concepts of coding. Lucky for you, there are many platforms which does just that for you. These include FreeCodeCamp, Khan Academy and Code Academy. These are all beginner-friendly platforms you can use to level up as a beginner. For this channel, we will be zooming in on the usage of FreeCodeCamp as our dominant platform. As you can see, FreeCodeCamp offers a variety of courses. Not only that, but data shows that its participants who have completed their courses are offered jobs by some of the most dominant tech companies in the world, such as Google. In fact, FreeCodeCamp has a dedicated section on their website that lists job opportunities for developers. The website also provides thousands of programming tutorials written by experts, covering topics such as web development and data science. Links for the websites mentioned will be in the description. Start your coding journey today. Like and subscribe for more content.